boom, boom, boom. What a day. Today was really a... Yes, brothers and sisters, and tomorrow we're going to have an adventure. You know what we should do tomorrow? Go up and way. The Buckler Road. You see? What do you think? No? Being up. One little thing that's key before the music come on. To navigate around your life, to move, you said fix yourself. I'm gonna come back to talk to you without the noise because it's something that's deep in that. Like you fix yourself throughout life. You may have to come find out what that means. Everyone, I'm in Porus. This is Randy, and I'm here with an artist. Her name is
Patricia Davis Black.
Patricia Davis Black. Now, what makes you you in 3 words?
Very creative, honest, and bright.
Okay,
Bright,
good.
original, bright.
That says it all. You're an artist. How many years you've been doing this work and how did you learn?
About 40 odd years, going 50 years.
Are you world renowned? People around the world know about you?
Well, my stuff is locally sold and internationally sold.
So you're global then?
Yeah.
Wow. So the work you do is?
Well, I do, it can show it some.
No, I just want to know what it is.
Oh, well, I do a variety of things. Everything crochet.
Crochet.
Yeah, I do shoes, hats, bags, bathing suits, dresses, etc.
Your grandmother taught you? Who taught you?
I was self-taught.
And what inspired you to start?
Well, just seeing people using the needle, I was attracted to it.
What was the first encounter with the needle? Who was it? An old lady on top of?
No, you know,
who?
I have an older sister, and I used to see her starting to make things with the crochet needle. I used to steal her needle and even use, when she do her things, when she's not around, I would take it and go try a little thing. When she gone, me take matchsticks and see if I could get the matchstick to make me start do it, because I wouldn't have to use what she had when she
was this her older sister?
She's my oldest sister.
So
she's 5 years older than I am.
Did you guys hang out, play together? Were you competitive with her?
No.
But it's just fact, was she good at it?
No, just hobby, just hobby.
So you were attracted to it creatively?
Yes.
As far as your academics, were you more of an artsy person, or math, or were you high on the academics?
No, I'm a dunce in maths. I had a teacher in Omic that she would teach me out of the book that I could learn how to master the stitches in books. And I would call maths class just to be in her presence, that she could teach me, because I love this thing so much. So because of that, though, we used to get beaten because my maths teacher is my farm room teacher, so she knows that I'm at school. But when maths time comes, they wouldn't find me. So I'd get beaten every maths period the other day. But I'm still going back to home because I love this so much.
Nobody knew you were an artist.
No.
How did your family receive this? Because academics in Jamaica is number 1. Arts is not even part of the range from 1 to 10. People don't care about the arts. So you lived a very difficult creative life.
I tell you, I have suitcase and suitcase because I just use this as therapy for me. I use my artwork as therapy because many times I would be challenged with a lot of
thoughts,
frustrated feelings, and it's just the needle. So you don't have to order nothing from me for me to be crocheting. I just take it. It's my hobby, it's my love, it's my everything, it's my comfort. So I just buy threads and just occupy my time making things. You don't have to order it, but when you come and see it, you won't leave something.
So I'm reading you, and what I'm reading is a master, you're a master painter. Like, you know, you really committed your life to
Very
this.
committed.
This is not about money.
No.
Now, how does this interfere with your relationships? Because committed to creative world, somebody you're with might say,
you have to understand me.
did you ever find that guy who was a creative match for you?
No.
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 And so some of them say, he mad, me can't deal with him, kind just in this crochet.
You see, it gives me that one away to be by myself at all time because I'm like that. So when it's friendship time, it's friendship time. we work it in segments.
So you're one of those great artists where just your baby is your art.
Workaholic.
Do you have children?
Workaholic. Yes, 3 girls.
3 girls? Age range?
34 and 33 and 18.
Any of them artists? And what kind of art? Really?
She does her selling
Online?
Oh, yes.
How you know how much, we not even see your work yet, you know, but you know what I'm more impressed with? You. You see, when an artist, you don't have to show me your work, but when you are your work,
you see it from the inward part of the person.
That's what I'm impressed with. That you've manifested the beauty of your art in you, and I'm going to push your product on my platform because I'm an artist too.
God bless
and
you.
the challenge,
You're an angel.
the challenge, let me tell you, when I tell you the journey is tough, family will disown you.
Look, I'm an outsider. I'm the black sheep.
No,
that's what
they say me are the
who I
platinum
am.
black sheep. Me black
I
Adam.
am the black sheep. Even the children don't know what they have.
They don't know.
They don't know.
It took
what
someone
they have.
like me.
You are an angel. Angel, come fix up this up them how you know how you set them
you
up.
have to do it yourself. She doesn't exist now. Depending on you. How about you? All right, so I just want to talk about. I took some time to kind of take in this amazing person's work. And your name again?
Patricia Davis Black.
And the music is in the background. We're going to come back and take a look at her work because what she does for the past 40 years, you want to turn that around for me? What she's done for the past, turn it around. What she's done for the past 30 years is incredible. And we're going to get a chance to look at her work at some point and take our time and look at her masterful designs that the world has never really seen. So they're custom sized, custom designed, one in the world from Jamaica, Porus, right? The bags, everything she does. Over 300 crochet. You say 40 years. And you've been hiding from the world, why?
Because
You're shy.
shy.
You're shy. So you're a creative artist and you're shy. So hopefully when people are gonna call you and they're gonna contact me to contact you. So hopefully you will have the pictures ready to show them different things and they could just send you Western Union and based on their size. So if a woman has a certain size, you let her measure herself and then design, custom design,
Yes.
and then she'll send the money and you'll just ship her stuff from Jamaica. Personally, I love your work. Love it. Your designs are so unique and so And I know that all these amazing ladies, and this is just the beginning of how unique, and if I had the time before I leave, I'm gonna come and just show them everything. I don't have the time today, so let's shoot for another day. We have to, because I want to help other women out there seeing what you're doing, and I'm sure these people were just gonna buy your stuff. And I'm gonna be there with you in your corner. You know what I say? Because this is your chance for the world to just see your greatness. Do you put your age out there? No?
61.
61. 40 years near 1920, you started this. And we talk about you copying from you compete with your sister. You even steal matches to do it.
Matches stick.
You're like, you're like kind of like a Dennis Brown kind of legend. You're kind of reggae artist legend. You know that.
You say it.
Eh?
You say it.
Yeah, you want to compare you to a female artist or just a singer. You're up there,
You got the glory.
You're up there. You're up there now, sister. And you know why you're up there? You see this here, sir? The Jamaica.
Just that one day I'm sick.
It's a mad me, you know.
That one day I'll give you a
It's a mad me, you know. It's a sick me, you know. Let me tell you, sir, you know. Hey, a Jamaica good life slippers that, you know.
Me say you have your way, so I'm to the good life blouse to go
See
with
that too. You go with the blouse to ladies. So you want to do link with me. I'm gonna make a link with her. And I'm gonna deal with the lady. But I must look unique, nice and sexy, because I say, hey, Mr. Lady, you're nice with it. Not even I show them no more. Then if the video go out, that's all I can do for you. Me not gonna tell you say me I go do nothing. What me I do right now, people pay me $500 an hour for talk to them, you know. US, you know. You see what me I say?
Come back to me with good news.
You see what me I say? I know me, you put it out the video. This is free marketing. You know what me I do?
Yeah.
It's like going on a radio station and you know what me I say? People, me not promise you nothing. Me come here, film you, put you on my channel for free. And then people see your work and say, Lord God, why? Randy, what number? And then like your product. But you're not ready because you're on a website. You're on a photography. How you gonna show the woman them when they come your work? How them
Randy,
okay.
they get good feedback.
Explain to her.
Me hear you.
No man, your work is gonna speak for itself. It's not me. Let me see that one.
Wait.
Let me see that one.
America. Wait.
That one, the one in the back.
This?
Yeah. You're nice, you know. My nose,
If I would know one.
it's nice. And how much this one go for?
They have a price up. They have the names to go with it and the pricing.
Alright, so it's custom
and
pricing.
It's never finished. You have finished trim up and none.
It's lovely, man. It's lovely.
Because I don't know what kind of accessories yet me select for.
Do you think?
Then just kind of roll down and me just get it out and then the finishing now.
Wow. Me I go see what I can put out in the energy field.
Let's
Because-
put at Cook Designs.
What's that?
Let's put my page.
Use ID there. And my stuff.
They can contact. They can contact me.
What's your number?
804-2603.
804-2603. 804-2603. Alright.
But you're not going to remember it wrong. You have to write it down.
I recorded it.
Oh.
So let me see one or two more. There was a woman, I showed her slippers long time ago on the channel, right? And everybody wanted to buy her stuff, but you know what? It wasn't on her website. All right. Let me see that yellow one. This the one you have on your. The one you have on your leg. All right. People have to call our mind stuff directly.
Me no know talking in the run. Me not give you no more.
No. You don't have to. I mean.